this accomplishment in such a crucial game, what does it mean to you?
It means the whole world actually to me. I think right from the day I started playing, started dreaming to play for the country, I think this is the day I was waiting for, and very grateful, very thankful, and I've always had a very special journey with lots of ups and downs, but I've kept on doubting myself, kept on thinking, what if, can I make it, but I kept on believing, and thanks to the Lord Almighty for actually blessing me today. So I'm very happy.
పరిశుద్ధుడా నీతిమంతుడా